Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on the location button, and give me a huge thumbs up. So today guys, it's part 2, you know it, and we're going to be finishing off this. Alright, let's go. So I'll get on this. This doesn't even stand, so I'm gonna put it on you guys. There we go. Where does the table go? And how do you stick it on? Don't you want to dance? Don't you want to dance? Don't you want to dance? I'm just going to put it in a random place, like right there. Push him on right there. Okay. So let's get the sticker. We need a sticker, which my mom's not giving me any. Wait, what is this? What's this?
Oh, from the battery.
Oh, yeah, I took it out.
Where's the table?
Where's the table? I don't know where it goes.
Next to the sloth.
Put this on here. Now they can't see me. Okay. Give me a sticker, please.
You want another sticker?
We'll be back when she gives me the sticker. Okay, so she's getting me the sticker right now. So, wait, it won't be able to fit. Let's put it right there. Ugh. Oh, come on. We'll put the sloth bath after when we've really figured out what to do. Thanks.
Leave some room for the sloth.
Yeah, I know I am. Table. The thingy table. This.
It doesn't have sticker on.
Just put a sticker on it.
Just a second.
Thank you. And then we're gonna put the sloth like near the table. And then it's just gonna look so cute. We're nearly finished. So don't leave yet, please, because we're not done yet. So Zelda, I'm gonna. Oh, there, we got it. We got it, yes. Right there. Oh, I can see myself in the mirror a little. Okay, so I don't know where we put the book. We're just gonna put the book on the table.
Mm-hmm. Sounds like a good plan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so hard to get this off.
Now, where does this go? Let's see. Oh, I know where it goes. We'll put it after, though. Sticky for the book.
Sticky for the book.
We're nearly done. We just have...
How do you want to put it, like this?
No, I want to put it lying down. Yeah. Watch, it's gonna do the don't you wanna dance. Don't you wanna dance? Don't you wanna dance? Are we gonna upload this on YouTube? Sorry, I take back what I said.
Here we go.
I forgot. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Let's turn the light on really quick. Oh my god! So cute. my god. Mama, when I first started YouTube, I only got 2 subscribers and 31 people following. Like it. Okay, so we gotta put this here and the baby. Right. This one needs more stickers. And put one on here. No, this one. This one.
This one.
And this one.
That one doesn't need a sticker.
Huh?
That one doesn't need a sticker.
Which one? This one? No, it does.
It just hangs. You've got a tiny thing on there.
No, it doesn't. Look.
Does it?
No.
Okay.
I told you. Medea, stop.
Here we go.
Thank you. You're gonna make me have to restart and I can't.
Give me the other finger.
Oh my god. Look at this. It's actually kind of looking like it, doesn't it? Comment down below if it does. Yeah. And if you saw where the book goes, comment down below so we can change it. If I got it right, just...
Accident.
I was about to say, just put a pink heart in the comments.
And then the accident happened. It's fine.
And we have our little special guest here. Look at him. I mean her. Its name is Lily. Everyone, if you like my new pet, say hi, Lily. It's not a real pet, it's just a squishy.
Oh, it doesn't have a...
But if you like it, just comment down, hi, Lily, and a purple heart. Eee!
This one doesn't stick anymore.
Which one? The boat thingy. What doesn't stick anymore? This. Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance? Where's the heart? This one doesn't stick anymore. Or this one. Eventually. Ooh. Our special guest is cute, isn't he? I mean, she. Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance? I want to dance.
I give the clock to me. Be careful not to drop it again.
Do you want to dance? And comment 2 blue hearts if you want to see the video where I make the same version by myself and it's homemade. Is it done now? Wait, no, it's not. And you put this somewhere where it's not.
It's okay. Leave it like that because nothing will stick anymore if you keep moving them. And if you leave it like that because it will not stick and you have no stickers left.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the final results in 3, 2, 1. Voila! Turn it off.